this is Cara, and I wanted to do a little recap of the 12 days of digitals. It was so fun. Thanks one more time to all the elves and everyone who participated and created fun things. It was really, really fun. I just kind of wanted to do a little recap of all the things that I made with all of the digitals, and I will have the links below if you're like, oh, I missed that day. It'd be kind of fun to go back and watch it. All right, so here is the beginning. I am behind on my December daily, but I used day 1 in my December daily, and I've also put day 2 in here as well. I think that's fun, and I can also kind of remember the 12 days. And I think that's all I put in my December daily so far. More on this in a little bit. I'll be back. Now I have to focus on catching up with my December daily. So that was day 1 and day 2. And here's my bags that have kept me organized. And this will also help me realize what else I need to do when Julie and I think it's Wednesday, this coming up Wednesday, we're gonna do a live and use our scraps and kind of chat and talk and be crafty together. So I don't know the time. I have to confirm with Julie. But here's day 1, the things that I didn't use yet. So I can also add these to my December daily, or use them as embellishments for another journal at another time. So the reason this video is going up a day late, I was wanting this to go up yesterday, was we had this is day 3. We had a little bit of a mishap in the Brandon household yesterday. My husband is putting up pipe shelves in his office, and he went to drill a hole in the wall to add more shelves, and lo and behold, okay, let me back up. So as I was helping him, he wanted me to hold up the pipes to kind of line up where they needed to go. And he said, remember that friend of yours who they drilled a hole into their water pipe, their water line? And I can't remember who that was, but apparently someone did. And then he's like, here, can you hold this so we, can line it up? So I did, and then I left to go to the laundry room. And from the other room, I hear explicitives that I will not share. And I was like, oh no, what's happening? And I went towards the office, and he was running towards me with a look of panic on his face. And then I heard a sound coming from the office, and he did exactly what he had feared, which was drill a hole through the copper tube into the water line, as water is spraying full force to the other side of the office onto all of the modem and router and yes, all the internet equipment. So not only are we having water shoot through the room and down the wall of the other side of the room onto the equipment, it just, we didn't have any water for a while, and we did not have internet, which is not good because our 13-year-old has finals this week, and she was trying to finish a final, and she's online. So yeah, that is why I did not make this video yesterday. The tube is now fixed. We have a backup modem, or an old version of a modem, and I will be able to upload, hopefully, this video today. So anyway, that was our Sunday. Pretty silly. Pretty silly. And the fact that he knew, he's like, oh, I shouldn't. Because on the stud finder, he's like, why is it wider than usual? Well, that's why, because there were a hot and cold pipe next to each other. You don't need to drill at that point. Anyway, oh, fun times. Never a dull moment, I tell ya. All right, so back to this. This is day 3 with the pockets. I love just little danglies. And then I have this that I can use. So I'm gonna maybe set these aside for the Wednesday fun. And then day 4, there are all sorts of goodies. I have these, and then I made the paper clips, the hidden paper clips. Let's see if I can get it. There we go. Those were fun. And then this one that sits on the bottom of the page and has the dangles. And we can use these in that day. And this is also a hidden paper clip. And then we have, oh, I thought I made it a pocket. And then we have a cute little tag. So that was day 4. Day 5, we did some sewing on day 5 and lots of embossing. I was embossing crazy on this day. Thanks to those of you who stuck through that video. I really like how it turned out though. Really fun. Lots of fun journaling cards. Lots and lots of journaling cards. So these are definitely going to be used in my December daily. And then I tried doing these funky things and it didn't really turn out so well. We'll put those over there. I don't know if I will use them. Day 6 is belly band day. I have these little bits that I can still use. Made this little tuck. And this card I'm going to toss here. And then these are the belly bands. Little snippet bands. Really fun. And what are we? Day 7? Day 7 with the blue. I really, really like the blue. This is a scrap. There's another dangle on the card. Oops, actually, we'll put this in the finished. And then these we can use. This I did the layered postcard with the little tuck spot on the side. And this is a little pocket. It looks like I might need a little glue on the bottom. I had the little ticket sticking out like that. And this is a layered tag. So that was day 7. Day 8, I think, was my favorite day. And it's the book where you can rip out the journaling cards. So they're all perforated, and then you're able to rip out the ones you want to use and put them in your journal. So here, this one was actually right here, and you just rip it out and now you can use it. That was my favorite day. Day 8, day 9. Where's day 9? Where's day 9? There's day 9. Was the over the page reversible tag. So you can put this over a page in your journal and it could go this way, or you could flip it around and go this way. That was fun. And then we made this other tag, and then I think I might stick that over there. And there's a little tuck spot with little things right there. So that's day 9. And then day 10 was the shaker day. Made lots of shaker postcards with my difficulty with the tool, but they turned out, they're okay. lots of shaker bits. And then I have these pieces that I can use on Wednesday. I really need to get caught up on my December daily. Behind, but all these fun things can go in there. Just fun. This one can go here, and then I made little pockets on, what are we, 11? No. Yes. And then a little book. So that's day 11. And day 12, I made the journaling, the page with the blue. And then I have this that I can put here. So those are the items that I made for my 12 days. Here are all the pieces that I have for Wednesday. Those are all ready to go. And then these are ready to go in my journal, or I can use them in next year's journal, but they're all made and ready to go, which is super cool. All right. Let me know if you're interested in my December daily this year. If you want to see maybe how I put together some pages, let me know in the comments. I'm not doing a journal per se. I'm doing an Elizabeth craft design planner this year. I have all the dies that I've collected. I've been a collector more than a user of the dies. And so this year I wanted to actually use them. And so I've started, and I've cut out all my pages, but I'm really, really far behind. So if you would like to see, let me know in the comments if you're interested in seeing that. All right, that is all for now. I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.